Hi, I'm Joe Lichman, Vice President of Product at RAMP. I'm happy to announce today another update to the RAMP console. If you recall, about a month ago, we released the new opening screen, which detailed all the platform usage for all of our customers. So when you come in at a parent level, you see all of the types of actions or content processing, search index, storage and delivery if you're using those services, and transcription services if you're using those services. So when you come to the screen, the usage screen, if you expand any of the individual areas, you can see the full month as well as the previous 6 months of data used. In this case, we're expanding the transcription section around STX. We can see that this customer used 723 minutes. I can look at it daily as well in the current month or the previous month. Simply by clicking the daily, and I can switch the months by clicking on the month, and you can see up on every day exactly how many minutes were used. This is useful for both your billing purposes as well as just seeing how exactly the RAMP platform is being used, and we will maintain this data for many months and years, and this is to help our RAMP customers, the RAMP customers, understand how they're using the RAMP platform. That's been live for about a month. We've gotten some good feedback, and as promised, we've updated the console again, this time with a new Analytics tab. The focus of the Analytics tab is to deliver details on user engagement. When you come to the new Analytics screens, you will see that we cover various RAMP solutions, so our search, topics, MetaQ, and video, and for each of those, we'll give you monthly usage data. For example, on search, we'll tell you how many searches happened, and we'll also tell you what's been clicked on. We can also give you full drill down and full visibility into which terms people are searching on in any given month or any given day, and how many clicks that search has received. So for example, you can see that Soul is a fairly popular search with a 25% click-through rate. You can use this information to drill in and see how many, does this belong? Is there a good set of searches? Is there a good set of results? And if not, you can always go to MetaQ, add this to a list, and optimize the search for that term. So we can also look across, and this is a pattern you'll see that for every section that we deliver, we give you the total number of requests as well as how much people have interacted with that page. So we could look at this Charlie Manuel page with 482 impressions, 121 clicks. For CTR, click-through rate, it's 25. I can see which pages have the highest click-through rate, which has the most clicks, and I can sort it by these various sections. Moving up, we can also check MetaQ. If you're a MetaQ customer, this is you can see which rules are firing. You can see which actions are firing and the click-through rate on those, and you can see which terms are delivering the best, getting seen the most and have the best value. So really, we're drilling down and providing visibility into all of the information based on the RAMP platform. And the final piece is video. This is where we've done a lot of work in terms of being able to track not only how many views and minutes you get, but that's out of the box, but also which of your videos is getting really good engagement. So for example, you'll be able to track how many of your top videos are watched 25% through 50 all the way to 100, and how many get downloaded. And you can sort by these metrics as well. And finally, you can look at the players. If you have multiple players on your site, you can see which of your players provide the best views and the best engagement, and also look at some of the standard RAMP features like Jump To and Search Within. So I hope you enjoyed this update, and I hope that you find use in the new analytics and platform usage screen. As the screens work, they're focused on the features that you have used in RAMP. If there are features that you see there that you'd like to make use of, please contact your account manager, and we'd be happy to set those up for you.